Today, we are solving WASSCE November 2021 question 4a. This is an angle of elevation problem, but the important detail is that the observer is already 12 m above the ground. The question says a boy is sitting on a tree at a point 12 m above the ground. From that point, he observes the top of a tower at an angle of elevation of 28 degrees. The tower is 60 m away. We are asked to find the height of the tower, correct to 1 decimal place. The boy is already 12 m above the ground. The 28 degrees angle helps us find only the extra height. Above the boy prime S level. Height of tower equals 12 plus h. First, draw the ground as a horizontal line. Let D be the foot of the tree, and let C be the foot of the tower. The tower is 60 m away, so the horizontal ground distance is length of DC equals 60 m. The boy is sitting on the tree at a point 12 m above the ground. Let that point be. So, length of AD equals 12 m. Now draw the tower vertically upward from C. Let the top of the tower be T. The full height of the tower is the distance from C to T. Length of AB equals 60 m. Length of BC equals 12 m. The boy looks from A to the top of the tower T. That line is the line of sight. The angle of elevation is measured from the horizontal line at B up to the line of sight at. So we mark the angle at A as 28 degrees. Length of BT equals h. Full height of tower equals length of BC plus length of BT. The part of the tower above the boy's level is length of BT. Let length of BT equals h. The full height of the tower is the lower part, length of BC, plus the upper part, length of BT. Since length of BC equals 12 m, the full height of the tower is 12 plus h. Length of AD equals 12 m. Length of DC equals 60 m. Length of AB equals 60 m. Length of BT equals h. Now, let us check the diagram carefully. The boy is 12 m above the ground. The tower is 60 m away from the tree. The horizontal line from the boy to the tower also has length 60 m. The extra height of the tower above the boy's level is h. The angle of elevation from the boy's horizontal line to the top of the tower is 28 degrees. This is the completed diagram. Now we can calculate the height of the tower. We now focus on triangle ABT. With respect to the 28 degrees angle at the side, length of BT equals h is opposite the angle. The side, length of AB equals 60 m, is adjacent to the angle. So we use tangent because tangent connects opposite and adjacent. Follow the calculation line by line. Tan of 28 degrees equals h over 60. H equals 60 tan of 28 degrees. H equals 60, 0.5317. H equals 31.9024 m. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don Prime T forget to like and subscribe. The full height of the tower is the height from the ground to the boys' level, plus the extra height above the boys' level. The height from the ground to the boys' level is 12 m, and the extra height is 31.9024. So the height of the tower is 43.9024 m. Continue the calculation using the same diagram. The next steps are shown on the right. 43.9024 m. 43.9024 goes to 43.9. The question asks for the answer correct to one decimal place. To one decimal place, we keep one digit after the decimal point. The second decimal digit is 0, so the 9 stays the same. Therefore, the height of the tower is 43.9. Therefore, the height of the tower is 43.9 m, correct to one decimal place. To summarize, length of AB equals 60, m length of BT equals h. The key equations are shown on screen. To summarize, we formed a right triangle using the boys' horizontal line of sight and the top of the tower. Using tangent, we found the extra height above the boys' level to be 31.9024 m. Then we added 12 m because the boy was already 12 m above the ground. This is the final answer. To summarize, h equals 60 tan of 28 degrees equals 31.9024. M height of tower. The key equations are shown on the screen. To summarize, height of tower, height of tower. To summarize, we formed a right triangle using the boys' horizontal line of sight and the top of the tower. Using tangent, we found the extra height above the boys' level to be 31.9024 m. Then we added 12 m because the boy was already 12 m above the ground. This is the final answer. Exam tip. If the observer is above the ground. Do not forget to add that height. Tan of theta equals opposite over adjacent. Draw the horizontal line from the observer. Find the extra height. Add the observer prime as height. Don Prime T, forget to like and subscribe for more.